Welcome to Bina classes. Again, here we are. The set of questions related to MCQs that we have here. This is from book 1, chapter 4, that is human development. So let's all see, and quickly, even you should be into a process of finding out the correct answer. In between, I'll keep on explaining. So here is the first question. It goes like this. What is the range of measuring human development index? So options are like A 1 to 10, B 1 to 20, C 0 to 1, D none. So out of all these, the correct answer is C, that is 0 to 1. Then we see another question, question number 2. Which one of the following is not the country with high human development? So the options are here. First, A, that is Norway, B, Argentina, C, Japan, D, Egypt. So out of all these, Egypt is the one which doesn't have high human development index. Now, question number 3, that is which one of the following scholars introduced the concept of human development? The one who had put it up to the world and then it really worked wonderfully well. That geographer, or you can say the economics rather, we have to find out from here. So number A, Professor Amartya Sen. Number B, Dr. Mahbub ul Haq. Number C, Ellen C. Semple, and D. Ratzel. Out of all these, B is the correct answer. So B is been ticked here. Then we come to question number 4. This is which country has introduced the gross national happiness index first? Yes, I mean wealth cannot accomplish your everything. It cannot give you the ultimate pleasure. Which thing can give you the ultimate pleasure? I mean from whichever sources, little resource only, if you acquire happiness, then that is required, and then it would be rated as what? The gross national happiness index. So this was given by whom? First, the nation being, some options are here: A, Nepal, B, Bhutan, C, Bangladesh, D, Sri Lanka. Out of these, B is the correct answer. Here Buddhism prevails, and from Buddhism this concept has come into our the mainstream thinking. Yes. Then we come to question number 5, which is not used to measure the human development index. Human development index is assessed on the basis of certain parameters, and out of those parameters, here we are getting some of them, but one is the odd one, which should not feature here. Let's find out. Number A, literacy rate. B, per capita income. C, life expectancy. D, social status. So out of all these, D is the one which is not taken into consideration for assessing the human development index. So D is the answer. It's been ticked. Then we come to question number 6. Development means what? So the options are given here: qualitative change, negative change, increase in quality, simple change. So out of all these, qualitative change, this one is the perfect answer, A. It's been ticked. Now we come to next question, that is question number 7. What was the rank of India in UNDP in the year 2006? So out of all these, the rank is, that is 128. 128. So it's been ticked here. Then we come to the next question. Which country is the first in rank in human development index? So there are the options given here, alternatives: A, Latvia, B, Norway, C, Finland, D, Austria. So out of all these, it's Norway which ranks first in the world in terms of SDI. Then the next question, development means, again let's find out, improvement in quality, always positive, value added, all of the above. Yes. Then out of all these, D is the correct answer. D is ticked here. Now the next one, that is question number 10. Which one of the following is not a pillar of human development? There are 4 pillars of human development. Out of 4 pillars, 3 are here, 1 is missing. Instead, there is something else. So let's find out from here alternatives. Number A, equity, B, sustainability, C, productivity, D, capacity. So out of all these, D is the answer. So D is ticked here. Yes. Then we come to next. Human development refers to what? Let's see here. Enlarging people's choices, freedom to achieve one's goal, living healthy life, all the above. Yes, it's all the above. So D is ticked here. Okay. Then we come to next question, that is question number 12. The concept of development keeps which of the following at the center of development? While framing any planning and policies, which thing is being taken into consideration primarily? So the focus lies where? Let's observe the alternatives. A, nature, B, resources, C, people, D, government. So out here, it's people around which all planning and policies they revolve. So this is that. Then we come to next question, that is, what is the full form of UNDP? So let's observe. A, United Nations Development Project, B, United Nations Development Program, C, United National Development Project, and D, none. So B is the correct answer. So B is ticked here. Next we come to question number 14. In which year was the Human Development Report published for the first time? So let's observe. A, 1981, B, 1970, C, 1990, D, 1980. So C is the perfect answer, correct answer. Then we move on to next question, question number 15. The question goes like this: which sector must be preferred by the government for the improvement in SDI rank? Yes, which sector should be preferred? So let's find out. A, defense, B, paramilitary force, C, social sector, D, none of these. C is the correct answer, because social sector would be covering of what? Per capita income, educational attainment, and even life expectancy. So all these things included in one, that is called social sector. So social sector is being ticked here. Okay. Then we move on to next question. Question is, what is the weightage given to each indicator in the human development? There are some of the indicators, 3 indicators are there. So what is the weightage allotted to each one of them? We have to assess. A, 2/3, B, 1/2, C, 1/3, and D, 1/4. So C is the 1/3. So here we have ticked. Then we move on to next question, question number 17. What is the score of High Human Development Index? So there are certain ranges determined. On that basis, we have very high, moderate, and then low kind of the Human Development Index categories, out of which we have to find out like which one is featuring here. Under what? Under high one. So let's find out. A, above 0.6, B above 0.7, C above 0.8 and D above 0.9. So out of all these, C is the correct answer. C has been picked up here. Okay. Then we come to next question. The question is, how many countries in the world have low human development in the world? Yes. There are some of the options given here. A 12, B 33, C 72, D 42. Out of all these, B is the correct answer. So B is been picked here. B is picked. And then we move on to next question, question number 19. Which is not hindrance to equity? For equity, there are certain things, parameters assessed. So something is here and something odd is also visible here. Let's find out. So alternatives: A gender, B race, C caste and D freedom. D is the correct answer. D is the correct. This is not the hindrance to the equity as a pillar of human development. Then we move on to question number 20th. Which is not a part of human development? Yes, let's find out. A access to resources, B good health, C education and D industrial development. So D is the correct answer. It's picked up here. Then question number 21st. Which is not a part of human development? Yes, let's find out. A opportunities, B freedom, C health and D number of people. Yes, D is the correct answer. D is picked up. Then we come to question number 22nd. Which criterion was used in early period to measure development? So let's find out. Early period, which criteria was used? A industrial growth, B agricultural growth, C economic growth, D population growth. Out here C is the correct answer. So it's been picked up. All others discarded. Yes. Then we move on to question number 23rd. Human development is what? A always negative, B always positive, C both, D none of the above. So B is the correct answer. Always positive. I mean, always change happens for better, for further progress. That is there. Then question number 24. Which agency is responsible for preparation and publishing the list of human development report of the world's countries? So there are some of the agencies quoted here. A WHO, then B UNESCO, C UNICEF and then D UNDP, United Nations Development Program. So this is the correct answer. It's been picked here. Yes, we move on to next question, that is question number 25th. Which of the following does not define development? So the options are given here. A moving ahead attained level, B only economic growth is development, C development is freedom, D expansion in people's choices is development. So out here B is the one to be picked up. So this was the set of all 25 MCQs from this chapter. Likewise, we will keep on covering up and believe and trust that we are there at your disposal. We will keep on just enlightening you. So our journey is what? On and on. But keep on supporting us, keep on liking, keep on sharing and subscribing our channel. That's it. This is our small request. Thank you.